Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a welcome message to your Instagram account. Alright, so if you want to add a welcome message to your Instagram account, here's how to do it. So first you have to make sure that you have switched into an Instagram business account or a creator account, and you can do that very easily. I have tutorials on my channel that show you the step-by-step process of switching from a personal account to a professional Instagram account. And once you are using an Instagram business or creator account, here's how to add welcome message to your Instagram account or change the current welcome message to something else. So all you have to do is open up the Instagram profile, then select the hamburger menu in the top right, then select settings, then tap on business from this list. And here you're going to see welcome message that is currently on. So as you can see, you can turn it off if you don't want it to show. So if you do not know, this welcome message welcomes people when they open a chat with you on Instagram and goes away once they send the first message. So if you want to maximize the number of DMs, Instagram direct messages you get, then you would add a welcome message that is very enticing for people. So as you can see, currently it's a very plain DM message. So you can make this a cooler message and encourage people to message your Instagram page. And once you're happy with the message, just go back to the page, and as you can see, this has been automatically saved. So this is how to add and change the welcome message on your Instagram business account.